My name is Karan Galbe and today I tell one small story. The story name is Who Will Bail the Cat? So I start. There was a big burrow in the house where there were many mice in that house. One day, the owner of that house brought a cat to take him care of the him. One day, the cat was walking around the house, and and he saw he saw a he saw a mouse burrow. The mice were very scared what to do inside, and old mouse come up with a trick and and deci- and mm, and decide to have a meeting. The old mouse said that we should put a bell around the cat's neck. The young mouse said, "It is crazy. Who's going to tie the bell around the cat's neck?" Everyone started looking at each other. All these mice stayed in another house. Moral of the story: it is no use planning unless and until we put things into practice. जोपर्यंत आपण गोष्टी प्रत्यक्षात आणत नाही तोपर्यंत नियोजन करून उपयोग नाही. Okay friend, bye. My topic is over. Bye bye friend.